So in this video, we're gonna take apart the SCW bolt and nozzle. Okay. So to start, we're just gonna take out this screw. Set that to the side. Okay. Next, we're gonna want to take out that. There we go. Should come out with the O-ring. There we go. Set that aside. Now this will slide right out like that. Be careful, this will fall out from up there as well. That should go on like that. Okay, so look on the inside of the bolt. It's pretty dark, but yeah. One thing to mention about the bolt, I might have mentioned this in another video, but the steel hammer will start to score the bottom of the bolt. There's a screw right here and right here to reduce the damage to the bolt. So if these screws ever get damaged, you could just replace them, and that's better than having to replace the entire bolt. So we'll set that aside. Also watch out for this O-ring. This O-ring should sit right in there, so make sure to put that back when you assemble. So to get this thing apart, it's pretty straightforward. There are two pins right here. We're just going to punch those pins out. It's actually as far as it will come out. And we're going to need to pull them out gently. That's one pin. Doesn't matter what order you put these back in. There we go. There's a second pin. Set that aside. Okay. I accidentally pushed the return spring in while I was trying to keep it from flying away, so to get it out, I'm just gonna screw that in there, give me some leverage, and then there it goes. Alright, so as you can see, the pin towards the back, towards the O-ring, just goes through here, and that keeps that locked in. So this is the return spring with the lock and the screw. Alright, and the rocket valve and the spring. Spring is pretty stiff. Stiffer than most gas blowback rifle springs or pistols. And here is the rocket valve. As you can see, I've already modified it. It's a standard VFC AR style rocket valve. I just took a razor blade and cut out that little notch. You can probably see where it was. Drilled a hole through the rocket valve and installed a grub screw. Um, this works pretty good as an impasse. I do have a steel impasse on the way. I'm gonna see if that fits. But this thing basically won't tilt when you go to adjust the impasse, because this second pin, the pin closest to the front, it sits like this on the rocket valve, so that's going to keep it from rotating while you adjust the grub screw to, position it forward or back, depending on your preference. So yeah, it works pretty good. So yeah, it's pretty neat. It came like this actually. So yeah, I wish the MP5 came with something like this from the factory, but whatever. So yeah, that's how you disassemble the SCW9 nozzle.